Greek Holiday, written and read by George Meikle. As I swam in the clear Adriatic, above the old pillars and pavement, and saw there far down in the ocean a fish lying dead down below. I looked at the bright shining fishes that swam round in shimmering shoals. They looked with no fear or amazement at the fish lying dead down below. I blinked when a fish flashed right past me. It flicked and it flashed at great speed, and I wondered that it should be hasty, till I saw no fish dead down below.